Guys, I'm so happy. My mom got me the viral dumplings. The first one we're gonna do is the mini one. Oh, it's so hard to open. You guys look first. Ah, it's yellow. Wait. Oh, it smells good. I actually love this. That one looks so cute. Now it's time for the big one. I'm scared. Okay. So that one came right off. Ready? This one kind of smells like bubble gum. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, the pink. Oh, yeah, it smells like bubble gum. Oh my god. This feels so good. Bye, guys. Peace out. And I'm gonna go thank my mom because literally, like, these are so cute. Let's go thank my mom. She's so awesome. Mom, thank you.
You're welcome.
Peace out. Bye.